What if I told you there's an animal that doesn't just survive on the side of an active volcano, but actually thrives in scorching hot, acidic water? Forget fire-breathing dragons. This creature is the real deal. It's not some mythical beast, but a real-life animal that considers boiling water a cozy home. This is the story of the Pompeii worm, one of nature's most incredible survivors. Deep in the darkness of the Pacific Ocean, thousands of feet below the surface, you'll find hydrothermal vents. These are like underwater volcanoes, spewing out superheated, mineral-rich water. And clinging to the sides of these volcanic chimneys is where our hero lives. The Pompeii worm, or Alvanella pompeiana, makes its home in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Temperatures here can skyrocket to 80 degrees Celsius, or 176 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to hard-boil an egg in minutes. So how does this tiny worm survive in what is essentially a natural pressure cooker? The secret lies in a mind-blowing partnership. The Pompeii worm's back is covered in a thick, fleecy layer of bacteria. This isn't just a random coating, it's a symbiotic relationship. This bacterial fleece acts like a living, breathing, fireproof jacket. The bacteria insulate the worm from the intense heat, forming a protective shield. In return, the worm secretes mucus from glands on its back, which nourishes the bacteria. It's a perfect give and take. The bacteria get a home and food, and the worm gets a state-of-the-art thermal suit. This makes the Pompeii worm one of the most heat-tolerant, complex animals ever discovered. But the heat isn't the only challenge. The water around these vents is also highly acidic and full of toxic chemicals like hydrogen sulfide. Yet, the Pompeii worm is completely unfazed. While other creatures would be cooked and poisoned instantly, this worm has adapted perfectly. It keeps its feathery gills, which it uses to breathe and eat, poked out into the cooler, surrounding water while its body remains tucked safely in its scorching tube. This allows it to enjoy the best of both worlds, staying safe while feeding on microbes carried by the vent fluids. It's a master of multitasking, simultaneously managing extreme heat, pressure, and chemical exposure. So, next time you think of a tough animal, maybe don't picture a lion or a bear. Picture this small, fuzzy worm that willingly lives on the edge of an underwater volcano. It's a living testament to the incredible and often bizarre ways life finds a way to flourish in the most unlikely of places. The Pompeii worm isn't just surviving, it's living its best life in a world of fire and water. Thanks for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into our amazing planet. See you in the next WowDrop video.